Here we are.
Daddy, nasa mall na tayo?
Ayun na. Ewan. Anak,
Mommy, there's vehicle. Where's pencil?
there's a McDonald's over there.
Yeah. I like McDonald's.
At the right here.
I like McDonald's. Ang takot. Mama, kanina hindi lang ako matakot. Hindi na yun, matakot.
Bakit? Ewan ko, baka gutom ka na.
Gutom na gutom nga ako. Daddy, dito na tayo sa mall?
Yeah.
Ha? Spider-Man kakainin ko.
Kinakain ba yun?
Yung Spider-Man na candy? Yung Spider-Man na candy, Daddy?
Lalo tayo Spider-Man mamaya pagka natin kumain. Tapos mga natin.
Pwede na ba? Hindi.
I think pwede. This will be your first time going to the mall, right?
Yeah. Already.
Because it's a special day, that's why we're going to the mall. Pero hindi naman lagi. Kasi, di ba? Hindi po kami lagi pumunta ng mall kasi nga, di ba? Still pandemic. We will find a parking.
Nabong
Daddy, open mo.
Do you know the song?
Hindi ako.
Do you know the song?
Oh, the card.
I know, it's okay. It's okay. Kids are allowed here. Oh, I can see a kid over there. Smiling, shining.
Okay ako?
Oh, yeah. You're allowed. Daddy, you must open the... We're going to find a parking space. Where do you want to eat?
I don't know. But where's the mall?
Don't know. Daddy, anong gusto mo?
Daddy, when's the price done?
Don't tell me Jollibee, ha? Oo, lagi ka naman. Oh,
Chinese.
there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
There's a queue.
That's a
Oh, there's a McDonald's inside also. Where do you want to eat, honey?
in the McDonald's.
Huwag naman McDonald's kasi.
Mommy, look at this bun. It's like buns. It's like buns. It's like buns.
Oh, yeah.
His friend is. His friend.
Hi, guys. Gala namin yung pagkain. Happy Valentine's Day! May car, ha? Up. Watch out. We're going to enter. Doon? Oh, meron dito. Hindi ko alam eh. Careful! No, don't touch. Gano'n kailangan? Sobrang saya niya kasi ngayon lang siya nakapag-mall. Uli. Dad, hawakan mo. Baka umakyat sa escalator. Pag tumatalon siya, sobrang excited. Ibig sabihin, sobrang happy niya. Hindi naman sobrang crowded sa mall. We're here in SM Marilao. Pinakamalapit na SM. You happy? Ah. Sobrang happy mo. Oh. There you are. Hey, don't touch anything. Kain ng kain. Thank you, Lord. Favorite niya is spaghetti. And Daddy wants, rice. Oops. Oh, grabe, oh. Hindi gutom yan. Hindi gutom.